Why did you choose Bicol University?
I chose Bicol University because of its reputation. As we all know, Bicol University is one of the top university of the Bicol region that likely draw me in.
Anything else?
Yes.
Bicol University wasn't just my top choice, it was the only choice. The reputation for excellence is incredible. The professors are like the brainiac of the Philippines. Plus, the campus is surrounded by beautiful nature, especially the ever-beautiful view of Mayon Volcano. The opportunity to study in such an environment where learning can extend beyond classrooms and textbooks is truly unique. Bicol University offers more than just academics. It's a vibrant community. The chance to learn alongside students from all walks of life, cultures, and backgrounds is incredibly exciting. I believe this diversity will not only hone my perspective but also forge lifelong friendships. And let's not forget, Bicol University makes a great education affordable. BU's status as a state university makes quality education accessible, allowing me to focus on my studies and achieve my full potential.
Why did you choose AB English Language?
I chose this program because I know that this will hone my capabilities as a student, and also I know that this will enhance my communication skills, and this program has a broad list of opportunities. That's why I chose AB English Language as my program. Bicol University's AB English program was my top choice for two main reasons. First, the program's reputation for excellence is incredible, and I want to learn from the best. Second, the curriculum itself is exactly what I was looking for. I want to delve deeper into the intricacies of the English language, its grammar, its history, and its significance. I want to learn how to wield this powerful tool effectively, both speaking and writing. The AB English program at Bicol University offers a comprehensive exploration of these areas, along with opportunities to develop critical thinking and analytical skills.
Are you happy with your course?
I'm very happy with my program because I get to know a lot of people with different talents and different personalities that I get to also enhance my own skills and capabilities as a student, and also this program eventually enhance my understanding when it comes to character, service, and leadership. AB English Language is an incredible foundation. It's like a language superpower, letting us analyze how we communicate and craft clear, persuasive writing. Plus, exploring literature opens doors to new worlds and ideas. The skills we gain are significant for any path, from writing to teaching to even law. Every day brings something new to learn and explore. Bicol University's program prepares graduates for a variety of professions, making it a future-proof investment. How about you? Are you happy with your course?
Fourth floor na naman.